Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today we're giving you a closer look at the Tusk First Line Air Filter Maintenance Kit. This is an affordable and effective way to clean and re-oil your foam air filter. Now, this kit is designed to work with any foam air filter, no matter what machine it's on, whether it's a dirt bike, an ATV, or even a side-by-side or street bike. Now, for the cleaner, this is a 15.8 ounce can, and it's designed to cut through the grime and oil of the dirtiest air filters. We have people tell us all the time that they use less of this cleaner and get the same results as other brands. So it's really effective. All you have to do, shake the can, spray it on, and work that in. I like to let it sit for a few minutes, and then you're gonna rinse it out with soap and water and let your air filter dry out. Now for the oil, this is a 13 ounce can, and this is super tacky. The proof that this stuff works is the next time you go to clean your air filter, when you pull that dirty one off and see that the intake tract is perfectly clean, you know this stuff is doing its job. It's gonna work great in the most dusty and dirty conditions. And with this stuff, all you have to do is put an even coating all the way on the surface of your air filter, cover the inside and the outside, work that in, and then I like to let the foam filter oil set up for a few minutes before I reinstall that air filter back onto my bike. So there you have it. That's it for the Tusk First Line Foam Air Filter Maintenance Kit. This is all you need to get your filter taken care of and cleaned up and ready for your next ride. Now, if you need some of this stuff, it's available on our website. Again, this is an affordable way to get a premium product protecting your engine. If you don't believe me, read the reviews. This stuff has really good reviews, and if you need to pick some up, just click the link in the description below. We offer free shipping on orders over $75. And if you want to see more helpful content, maybe you need to know how to service the air filter on your machine, we've got how-to videos. Go check those out and subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.